Well, here we are, the finished Meteor model by the kit maker MPM. Quite a lot of work to it, but satisfying results, I think. You can see I've got a light on one side to try and help show it off. A lot of painting to do, all hand painted, no airbrushing with me, but decals went on well. Didn't bother needing to use any solution. The interesting thing I find with this model is that you have to make parts of it yourself, which if I can zoom in, is that support strut for the wheels. That's a bit of plastic rod which you're supposed to make yourself, and the window behind the seat, you can zoom in there, that's PVA glue. The front of the canopy doesn't exactly fit well, but for the scale you're not looking at it close enough to see any problem really. But yeah, there you go, the Gloster Meteor Mk1 as used at the end of World War II. First jet aircraft of the RAF in 1:32 scale.